I would like to make this content vertically center align using Divi. As you can see, now it is in top align. If you can make this content vertically center align, it will be look better than this. So let's see how to do that using Divi. This is the section where I would like to work. This is the heading, this heading, and this is the left image and this is the right text. This is the left image and this is the right text. As I want to work with this row, I have to go to this row setting. I'll click to design, then click to sizing. Here is an option to equal column height. I'll just make this yes. Then I'll get back to content again and select this column. These columns mean that column I would like to vertically center align. So I will click to this column setting, go to advanced and custom CSS. I just paste here this simple CSS, then click to apply, then apply. Now let's see this section. Let's refresh it. Wow, this content is now vertically center aligned. This is how simple is it to make any content vertically center aligned using Divi. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.